Humza, sorry. I do an Electrical Installation Apprenticeship, level 3. Well, initially I was doing A-levels, but COVID came and that didn't work out, so I had to find a different route, and well, here I am, just an apprenticeship as a backup, I would say. I'd say getting physical, doing the actual labour work, feels good on the body, better than what we do 4 days at work, one day at the college. So it's good to have that mix, you see, on the brain and the other on the body. Actually everything, from tools, from the electrical part of it, pretty much everything I would say, yeah. I would say it's harder than back when you're doing primary school and secondary school, but you get used to it. It does take a toll on your body going on site, but as time goes on, you can structure your days accordingly. I would, yeah, if they want to do a trade, just come in. I mean, they've got the facilities there. They've got, I'm not sure, they've got the workshop over there. You've got all these metal work that you could practice on, which they have enough of. So even if you mess up, no harm done.